Hello everyone, and we are going to be looking more at the Atlantic, as we now do have 3 different disturbances that all could produce a tropical cyclone. Now, before we could get into the forecast, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new and turn on those bell notifications so you won't miss a single upload. Right now we are currently looking at the 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook. We currently do have 3 disturbances in the Atlantic. Let's look at disturbance 1, an 80% chance of a cyclone formation in 5 days. That is expected to go into the Gulf, which you do have very warm waters, so a tropical cyclone is likely to develop there. You also do have disturbance 2, a 90% chance of a cyclone formation in 5 days. That is also expected to head towards the east coast, as we do have some more warmer waters around here off the coast of Florida, so that could definitely turn into a tropical cyclone in the upcoming days. And now we do have tropical disturbance 3, only a 20% chance of a cyclone formation in 5 days, but that definitely will increase in the upcoming days. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Invest 98L. Just to the east of the Lesser Antilles. Yesterday's video we did talk about 97L, so if you want more details on Invest 97L, you can go ahead and look at yesterday's video. But today we're looking at the disturbance that might be heading towards Florida and making impacts there. Recent model track guidance does show most of them do head just south of Florida, but some do even curve up here near the Florida Panhandle and definitely do make impacts there. There's also one, the Avni model does show it will be making impacts on Louisiana. That is definitely unlikely, but definitely possible at this point. So we'll be heading into the Gulf, it looks like, but it does have a chance for going up the east coast or even going up out to sea. One model does show it going out to sea, even going the opposite way it is now. So that's kind of a weird model there. Now the GFS and symbols, most of them, some actually show it going out to sea, making a little impact on Florida and then going out to sea there. But some making impacts on Florida, making landfall, total landfall there. And some even going into the Gulf, making impacts on portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, those types of states. Now, all of these models are very similar. They're really agreeing here. This is going to be heading towards the Florida area and making some impacts or making total landfall. Might even totally miss Florida here. So there is a little bit of a big uncertainty of what this is going to do, where this is going to go. All we can say right now is we have very warm waters both in the Gulf and off the coast of Florida. Those types of areas, we're around 30 Celsius waters, which is very warm. It's around 90 degrees. So definitely very warm waters for these to develop off of. There is some more drier air just north of this system, but it shouldn't really affect it too much. But definitely really need to keep an eye on this for some effects for the East Coast or the Gulf states. Either one could be coming up in the upcoming days. Lastly, the intensity guidance does show yesterday that'll be around the 00Z update. We did have one model going all the way up to Category 5 hurricane. That was definitely pretty rare to see. But of course, right now, from the 12Z update around 6 a.m. this morning, we do have one going up to Category 2 hurricane around a more higher tier of a Category 2 hurricane. We do have a couple going into the Category 1 hurricane, and most of them are in the tropical storm strength there. We do have definitely a decent chance for this turning into a Category 1 hurricane. Even the Icon model is going into a Category 1 hurricane around 132 hours from now. So definitely this does have a very good chance for turning into a Category 1 hurricane. But a tropical storm is going to be the most likely chance for now. Now we're looking at the satellite imagery for Invest 98L. As you can see, we are seeing some more convection blowing up for the more northern part of the storm here. Sorry for the buffering kind of right there. But definitely some more convection blowing up in those types of areas, which could definitely strengthen the storm. It isn't super organized, but it is definitely trying to organize here. We are seeing some rotation going up there, some more cloud development going up there. So definitely cloud cover is decent, but not super good here. We are seeing some more cloud cover for the more western part of the storm. So definitely it is trying to organize, but just cannot quite. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a single upload. Also make sure to share this video with any friends or family that may live on the East Coast or the Gulf states that could be impacted by Invis 98L or the other following systems. Anyways, stay safe.